In this video, we're going to be answering one simple question. Does a $25 fitness tracker suck? Let's find out. What's up, everyone? This is your boy Jeff at eljefereviews.
My name is Jeff. It's Jefe, man.
And on my channel, I do gadget unboxings, demos, and tech reviews. So if that sounds like something that you're into, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small notification bell. This way you guys never miss any of my weekly videos. So this week, we're gonna be checking out the Newwear Smart Bracelet. Well, I believe it's the Newwear Q8, if I remember correctly. It's sort of like a fitness tracker, smart bracelet, kinda smartwatch, sorta kind of. So this guy runs you right around 25 bucks on AliExpress, and I believe it's right around the same price on Amazon, so I'll make sure to leave links to both of those right down in the description box below. Now, before we go any further, and for full disclosure, I went ahead and paid for this with my own money for the purposes of this review. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and answer the question. Does it suck? Let's dive right in. All right, guys, so here we have it. The Newwear Q8 Pro Smart Bracelet. Right there gives you the chipset, display, 1-inch color touchscreen. Not really. Bluetooth 4.0, 3D accelerated. I think they give you that barcode here to scan if you want to get the app. Oh, as you can see, it was already kind of on there. All right. So basically out of the box, you've got your charge cable. This is that standard magnetic charge cable that just sort of clips itself to the bottom of the watch. Okay, anything else? Looks like that's pretty much it. Appears to be a user manual. Ah, here we go. Okay, so they do have some English and stuff in there. Kind of gives you a rundown of everything, but yeah, same old there. So that's pretty much it in the box. All right, and then as you can see right here, that's your watch face. There are a couple different watch faces, and we can kind of go over those as well if you'd like. All right, so here's one of the other face styles. Check that out. And here's the other style of watch face. This is the one I actually prefer myself. So here, you hit that little button right there. There's your step counter, distance, those are calories, hours slept, heart rate, blood pressure measurement. It'll give it to you if you've already measured, but it'll actually show it there. That was your oxygen saturation. This is set up so that you can activate the camera on your phone or take pictures. This way you can control your music player, and takes you back to that function there. And right here on the main screen, you can see date, time, pedometer, and heart rate plus battery. So pretty straightforward. And then as far as the charging goes, see that? It just kind of clicks right into place there. It's just standard, nothing too crazy. But you know, what can you expect for 25 bucks, right? Okay, so let me give you some of the pros and cons on the Newwear Q8 Pro. Some of the things I do like about it is the fact that I can get notifications from my apps. So like if it's Facebook or even text messages, Twitter, things like that. So it'll give me a quick glance of what's going on without me having to pull out my phone. So that's cool. I can kind of tell, you know, at a glance whether or not it's something important that I need to address right away, or if it's just a notification from social media. Secondly, it's got excellent battery life. So I've gone without a charge for around 2 to 2.5 days. So that's pretty good. And that's with me leaving the all day heart rate monitoring going at all times. Thirdly, the price. You're only talking 25 bucks. So yeah, I mean, it's not gonna burn a huge hole in your pocket, so not too bad. Now fourth, I do like the fact that it has the all-day heart rate monitoring along with the oxygen. They do seem pretty accurate. So far so good. I have tested them against our own at-home monitoring equipment that we have for my wife, along with some of the professional grade medical equipment that I tested it against while I was at a doctor's visit this past week. So with that being said, and also bringing up the subject of testing it against some professional medical equipment, so oxygen and heart rate seem to be on point. Blood pressure monitoring, that's another story. It seems a little inconsistent. So I checked it here on the smartwatch and I got one reading. Then we ran it on the blood pressure monitor at the doctor's office and I got another reading. So I ran both of them again. On the second time, the smartwatch was closer to what the medical equipment was showing. So then I ran it again a third time, and again it was off. So it's sort of hit or miss as far as the blood pressure goes. It seems to kind of give you one reading and then be way over here on the next reading and then back to the other reading. So it seems a little bit inconsistent. I don't know if that's just the case with just me or this particular smartwatch that I picked up. Maybe it's an issue with it. I'm not sure. But I just want to give you guys a heads up that the blood pressure monitoring seems like it's a little sketchy. I'm not 100% certain about how accurate it is. So I don't know if I can depend on it. As far as your like O2 saturation and your heart rate, it is on point, but yeah. And then the next con is the step counter, the pedometer on it. It seems to be way off, and I was kind of wondering what the heck is going on. It almost seems to be counting 2 to 3 steps for every one of my actual steps. I'm comparing it against the pedometer built into my Galaxy S8 Plus. So let's say I walked 8,000 steps. This smartband will show me at like 16 or 17,000. So I'll look at it and I know there's no way that I've walked that much. There's no way, because I could tell I'd be freaking tired. So yeah, something is up with the pedometer on it. I've tried doing the calibration built into it, and it's just not, it's not straightening out. It's not getting right. I've been wearing this for almost 2 weeks in hopes that maybe I just needed to learn how I move or something. But yeah, no, I mean, it's counting steps that aren't happening. I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe it's counting my arm movements, but yeah, so it's a little inaccurate as far as that goes. So all in all, can I recommend it? I'm gonna have to say no, especially if you're really counting on it to give you accurate pedometer or accurate blood pressure, then it's a definite no. In my personal experience, it's proven to me that I am the type of person that could definitely use a really good smartwatch. Sadly, this isn't it. Now, I didn't have super high expectations out of it, being that it was only 25 bucks. So, you know, again, if you are gonna end up picking this up, just keep that stuff in mind. You are only spending 25 bucks on a fitness bracelet / smartwatch. So don't go crazy in the comment section saying, hey man, I bought this thing and I was expecting it to do all these different things. Keep your expectations low for something that's only 25 bucks. With that being said, this one's kind of hit or miss. Like I said just a minute ago, if you just need something that'll tell you the time and, you know, be able to see notifications for your different apps without having to pull out your phone, this is the smart band for you. If you need something that's going to give you accurate pedometer, accurate blood pressure, then I suggest you look somewhere else. Sadly, I can't recommend it for that stuff. I was really hoping that I would have been able to give you guys a good recommendation on a smart bracelet that's only 25 bucks. But sadly, we're going to have to add this to the list of things that suck. So there it is. That's my perspective on the Newwear Q8 Pro. It's good at some things, bad at others, and those others can be quite important for people looking for a fitness bracelet. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video right here. Let me know what you guys think of the Newwear Q8 Smart Bracelet down in the comments section. If you guys have any questions, concerns, anything like that, leave those down there as well, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Also, do you guys have a recommendation on a, random off-brand smartwatch that you would recommend? Anything that's under 100 bucks, hey, you never know. I may try it out and give you a shout out. And as always, if you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys didn't like this video, go ahead and hit that dislike button. That's totally cool too. And if you haven't done so already, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small notification bell. And this way you guys never miss any of my weekly videos. So with all that being said, I hope everyone has a great week, and I will see you guys in my next video.